Well, today I have a fun little project in the warehouse. Welcome to my living room. So we're going to be putting in these SOK batteries and Victron inverter, and I'm also getting a DC to DC charger, and this is going to be a little power system for this van. We've got some quad boxes up here, a little load center, and this is going to be able to supply power for their needs during the day. This is an organization here in Burlington. I'm going to drive around and help some people out with this truck here. So, yeah. All right, so here we go. We got the battery box insulated there. We have, this is the inverter charger, 3000 watt. And you can see we have power in right here. And so basically the inverter takes the DC battery power, turns it into AC power. We have all these outlets over here. I just have a light plugged in just to show that it's working. And a couple of disconnects. We are going to have a DC to DC charger in here. And that will take battery power when the truck is running and charge the batteries with that as well. I also have heater mats in there for in case it gets really cold. So there it is, and well bolted to the floor so that it won't go anywhere. So here's the final product after the DC to DC converter was put in. So this truck was for the CVOEO organization in Burlington, Vermont. This is an advocacy program to help people experiencing homelessness, get access to necessary supplies, food, internet, cup of coffee, just helping them out and helping them get back on their feet again. So thanks for watching.